I've been seeing so much negative stuff in the media. Hi guys, good morning. It is gorgeous out. We are getting ready to leave the house. We live pretty close to a lot of delis, a lot of, you know, really good spots. So I think we're gonna eat breakfast somewhere out there.
Smiles does it take to be happy? How many times do you have to feel lonely before you get the chance to meet someone, before you get to meet someone like you? How many songs can you write about heartbreak? How to go when you're fed up with mistakes? Maybe I just found the answers. Maybe I just found the answers in you. Come give me all your love. I want you to know we can make it together. Let the wind blow. All we need is each other. Come take my hand. You're all that I have now. I won't let you go.
Okay, we're back. There's a couple things I need to do. I need to put in an order for Instacart to get some groceries delivered because I need oat milk pronto. What do I need to do? Spaghetti meatballs. There was something else I needed to do. Oh, we're gonna do albóndigas. And then my husband really wants tacos dorados. I might do breaded chicken too because my son loves breaded chicken. I just placed the order through Instacart. It should be getting here in an hour. Ahí está. He's reading off Farmhouse. R. M. Ahí está M, muy bien. H. Ahí está H. Oh, ahí está O. Ahí está U. Ahí está S. S. E. Ahí está E, ¿sí? Farmhouse.
How many smiles does it take to be happy? How many times do you have to feel lonely before you get the chance to meet someone, before you get to meet someone like you? How many...
I just finished putting the groceries away. This is what you're gonna get because I just don't got time. I'm gonna clean really quick and I really need to work.
Maybe I just found the answers in you. Come give me all your love. I want you to know we can make it together. Let the wind blow. All we need is each other. Come take my hand. You're all that I have now. I got you. We don't have to stay. We can do what we want to. Just give a little bit of your heart. Give a little bit of your heart to me. All of my scars start to heal when I'm with you, and I can't explain how I feel when I'm with you. Just give a little bit of your heart. Give a little bit of your heart to me. Just come give me all your love. I want you to know we can make it together. Let the wind blow. All we need is each other. Come take.
Mira. 8. 9. ¿En español? 9. Ahora tienes 2. 1, 2. Mételos aquí adentro. 1, 2. Muy bien. Ahora aplica el 2. Ahí adentro, por favor. 2. Muy bien. 2. 3. 1. 2. 2. Muy bien. 2. Y 3. Muy bien. Ponga el 3 aquí abajo. Ok. 2. Muy bien. 3. 4. No. 5. Ok. Muy bien, gracias. Aquí. Del otro lado. Mételo. ¿Dónde lo vas a poner? ¿Vas a poner más? Oso. Sí, como un oso, mira. O. Póngalo aquí. Mira. Oso. O. S. O. Oso. Este es un 1. Mete esto aquí adentro. 1. Mételo. 2. Póngalo allí. 1, 2. Y 2 va aquí.
I deserve to be unheard, but I want you to see that you are the reason why I try. I don't know what you're thinking, but I know how you're feeling. I have crushed and burned someone.
X. Where has the day gone? I have so much to do. Alright, I am gonna do something really quick and very easy. We're gonna have leftovers from dinner last night. Nehemiah is gonna have chicken Alfredo with like mini croissants. And I am gonna have a salad with some, since I got some Instacart delivered, this is the best thing for you to buy when you're doing a whole bunch of salads. Like, I plan on doing salads for lunch often. One sec. But okay. Hey, guess this one. Get out. What are you doing? Get out. This isn't your home. Big fly. Alright, very quickly, I'm just gonna show you what Nehemiah's gonna eat. He's got some leftover chicken Alfredo, some like mini croissants, and a little bit of salad, lettuce. Sometimes he eats it, sometimes he doesn't. And then for me, I mean, I just have a regular salad. I'm gonna top it off with a little bit of the rotisserie chicken that I got from the store. I hope you guys are doing amazing today. I feel like I've been seeing so much negative stuff in the media. I'm not kidding, I've limited my time on TikTok because I feel like TikTok and Facebook are like those two apps that you have to be really careful. Otherwise, you either go overboard and watch too much of it, or you just see a lot of bad news. And I'm also focusing on my diet. My diet is something that I've been struggling with. ¿Está rico? ¿Sí? Nigga, sí. Yes.
Yes.
Today I chose not to do much on myself because I just don't got the time right now. I don't got the time. I feel like I shouldn't be putting that much dressing on. But if you guys were interested in the shows that my son watches, like I've mentioned this before, I try to limit what he watches. So he watches Brain Candy TV, which is all educational stuff. And he also watches Blippi. Blippi, he used to get on my nerves, but now I understand why he's so popular. Blippi, Brainiacs, and Superbook. I've been wanting him to get into VeggieTales. He's not interested. So a change of plans. We got free admission to go to this carnival that's like right around the corner, like walking distance, which means I don't have to cook dinner. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your family, friends.